As you can see, I have withdrawn GOATS token from my main account. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw GOATS token to your exchange. So first tap on withdraw and then select one of the exchange. I will select BitGet. Tap on yes, I have it. Here make sure to set it to 100%. Then for the UID, go to BitGet exchange and copy UID and then paste it here. Now for the address, go back to BitGet and then go to the spot trading. In spot trading, click on deposit, then search GOATS. Maybe it takes some time to load. Then tap on GOATS to get the address. Copy it and simply paste it in GOATS address. Then click withdraw. Now when you go to activity tab, you can see the GOATS is withdrawing. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.